Welcome back to another video, guys. This is honestly one of the best strategies in the world, and if you want to be able to catch trades like this or even like this, stay tuned and I'm going to show you my exact strategy that I traded today. Made me 2K in profits, which is honestly insane, especially in these market conditions with Trump, with all these wars and tariffs and everything that's going on in the market. This strategy has been able to pull me through all of these market conditions and still make me profitable. So guys, please, if you want to learn, leave a like, subscribe, and let's get right into the video. So today we actually traded ES, which is honestly quite rare because oftentimes I prefer NASDAQ, but it was just a no-brainer to trade ES today because we did take out this buy-side liquidity. Not only that, we also created a SMT, which you can see if I can even get it. SMT, there you go. And with NASDAQ, as you can see, there was an SMT right here between these two highs and lows. So this was beautiful. Like I was already like turned on by the stock and it was just gonna work out. So let's see how this is gonna go now. Let's see if we can take a buy side, which we do get right here. But from what I remember, we did have one little push higher. So this was our SMT with our buy side liquidity getting swept. Now, what I saw was a inversion fair value gap. So this was already very nice to see. I was already thinking about entering the trade here, but I just wanted a bit more conviction since we did have a little more of like a break of structure rather than a change of a state. We'll just say break of structure with a little baby fair value gap right here. So already I'm like drooling over the stock. Like I want to enter right here. I take my sell position. I take a standard deviation from the highs right to this inversion, right to the inversion fair value gap, right to the break. And now what we want to do is stop loss, obviously, right at the previous highs because we do have an SMT high, which SMTs, if you don't know, are protected highs. So, for example, say the stock were to come up and break this SMT, automatically the strategy will be thrown out the window. But that rarely ever happens, especially if we are taking a buy side. So SMT highs is where my stop loss is going to go. My take profit right at this -4, and let's see how this goes. We come. Now we're coming back into the zone. We tap into that break of structure. Now we're looking good. We're looking good. We do one more tap, just a little final salute to say, okay, like let's start making this money. Like it's enough joking around. Now we come to this -1. Pretty strong break, a little rejection off it, but overall, it was a very strong breakdown. Right at this -2, I did take partials, slight partials, not too much partials, like maybe half or one third of the position. Now we come up, tap right back into break even. So this kind of scared me a bit, but we did take partials, so I wasn't too worried. I still had money in the bank. Now we come back down to this -2 of where my previous partials were taken, and we keep pushing down, pushing down, pushing down, right to us taking this take profit right down here. So this is honestly such a beautiful trade. Like, I don't know why else you would want a different strategy when like just this is like just pure art at its finest. So guys, I really do hope you enjoyed this video. That was pretty much just it. I just want to do a little recap to give you an idea of what went through my mind, why I took this trade, and I really do hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you next time.